Hi, this is Heidi from Heidi's Piano Studio in Rexburg, Idaho, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick activity that will help you to practice the technique motions used to play the piano. For musicians and athletes, technique means using the correct physical motions to get the best results and to avoid injury. A football player with good technique is more likely to help their team score. When a gymnast uses good technique, they can flip without falling. A basketball player with good technique is more likely to consistently make baskets, and good technique for pianists allow them to produce great sound quality. Follow along with the motions of the video as you join Caterpillar's workout at the gym, where he will bicycle, jump rope, swim, weight train, walk the balance beam, and shake a drink for a reward at the end.